Hello, bright minds! Today we'll learn M, N, and O. Let's begin our fun adventure. This is the letter M. M says Can you say M?
Great job!
M is for milk. Milk helps us grow strong. Can you say milk?
Wonderful!
M is for monkey. Monkeys love to climb and swing. Can you say monkey?
Fantastic!
M is for moon. The moon shines in the night sky. Can you say moon?
Wonderful!
Which one likes to climb and swing? That's right, the monkey likes to climb and swing.
Milk, monkey, moon! Fantastic!
This is the letter N. N says N. Can you say N? Great job!
Great job! Great job! N is for nest. Birds build cozy nests. Can you say nest? Wonderful! N is for nut. Squirrels like to collect nuts. Can you say nut? Excellent!
Which one is on your face? That's right, your nose is on your face. Nest, nut, nose.
Fantastic! This is the letter O. O says ooh. Can you say O? Great job! O is for octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. Can you say octopus? Wonderful!
O is for orange. Oranges are juicy and tasty. Can you say orange?
Excellent!
O is for owl. Owls have big, round eyes. Can you say owl?
Wonderful! Which one is a juicy fruit?
The orange is a juicy fruit. Octopus.
Octopus, owl. Fantastic! Today we learned M, N, and O. Milk, monkey, moon. Owl! Hooray! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Yay! A to O!
Great learning today. Keep smiling, keep learning.
See you next time, bright minds! If you had fun learning today, please like and subscribe. See you for P, Q, and R.